Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure skin is clean and dry. This lets the glycolic penetrate evenly. Once done, do a quick patch test on your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to check sensitivity. Apply a small amount, either 1-2 drops on fingertips or sweep a cotton pad gently across face, avoiding eyes and lips. Keep applications to 1-2 nights per week at first so your skin can adapt. This reduces stinging and prevents overexfoliation. Once your skin tolerates the initial applications, slowly increase frequency to 3 or 4 nights a week and observe how your skin responds. Make sure to avoid combining the glycolic toner the same night with retinoids, vitamin C serums, or strong exfoliants to prevent irritation. Apply a thin, even layer and do not rinse it off. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes so the acid can work and your skin's pH can adjust. Then follow with a hydrating moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. You finish each routine by prioritizing sun protection. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning because glycolic increases UV sensitivity. If you see persistent redness, swelling, or peeling, reduce application frequency or pause for several days and let the skin recover. If you experience burning, rinse with cool water, apply a soothing barrier moisturizer, and avoid other actives until calm. When symptoms subside, restart slowly. If severe reactions continue, consult a professional for tailored advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.